Now I'd like to show you the lab that I'm going to be using during this course. So basically I have my Kali Linux. As I said, it's installed, or NetHunter is installed on a Nexus 7 device. I have the device here mirrored on my laptop. I'm doing this because it's easier to show you what I'm doing on the device like this instead of using a camera, because I'd lose quality. So this is not a virtual machine. This is a physical Android device that I'm using, and this is just a program that I'm using to mirror the screen of that device. And here I have my Windows device. We're going to try to hack it, maybe hack passwords or usernames or stuff from this account. So this is a virtual machine that mimics an actual real machine. This is an actual physical Nexus 7 device that has NetHunter installed on it. And this is my main operating system. So let's just have a quick look on NetHunter Home. So this is its icon right here. So I'm going to click it now. And as you can see, you just get the basic welcome screen where you see your wireless cards, and you can request your external IP. If I click on that, I'll get my external IP. If we go here on the top left, you'll see all the menus that you can go. Basically, this home menu allows you to access all features for NetHunter. So within this menu, you can navigate and run multiple attacks. So if we just go to the first one, the Kali launcher, you'll see a number of options that you have here. So the first one, launch Kali shell in terminal, basically will give you a terminal window where you can use all the programs that come installed with NetHunter. So if I tap that, it's going to boot. It's going to ask me to grant it access, the root access, and I'm going to say that's no problem. And as you can see now, I have my access and I can run any programs that I want to run from within this menu. Now we will be using this menu right now. I'm not going to run anything because that's not our lesson. We're just going to have a quick look on everything that we can do. We will be using this later. So I'm just going to close it. To go back, the Kali menu, the second option, gives you a terminal menu that allows you to run a number of programs. So as you can see right here, we have a number beside each program that we want to run, and you can just put the number that you want, and it's going to take you to different menus, and it's going to allow you to run different accounts. Again, I'm not going to be using this right now because this allows you to run a number of programs, and we will be using it in the future. I'm just showing you how this works. So I'm going to close it again. The third one, launch Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a Wi-Fi penetration testing tool. And the third option is going to update Kali. Second last is going to turn off. If we have an external Wi-Fi, it's going to turn it off, and the last one will unmount Kali. So the first one actually launch Kali in terminal, the last one will unmount Kali. The service control, this allows you to turn services on and off. So these are servers that come in pre-installed on NetHunter, and you can turn them on and off using these options. So you have B framework, SSH, DNS mask, and all these kind of servers. Tap it to turn it on. So SSH is now it's up, and if you turn it on, tap it again, it goes off. Again, I will be talking about what each one of these mean and when we will need to use them. Right now we're just having a quick look. After that, we have the HID keyboard attack, and I'm not going to talk about it right now. We're going to have a full class about, or maybe actually more than one class about this. Same with the HID ducky attacks and the bad USB man in the middle attacks, mana, evil access point. All of these, we're actually going to spend more than one lecture talking about them. So I'm going to skip all of these here. And the last two allow you to configure IP tables and DNS mask. Again, I will be talking about each one of these later, so don't be scared about the names or the number of features that you can see here. Right now we're just having a quick look on the launcher menu. So the main parts of this class is you can run Kali, you can run features from all features from within this window. You can run Kali in terminal. You can run the menu in terminal as well, which allow you to run a number of programs. We're going to be using all of this for multiple times within the course, so it's going to become very easy, and it's going to explain itself even more as we progress through the course.